Hi guys, welcome back to TechAngell's channel. Today we are going to have a wonderful session. Believe me, it's a wonderful session. So we are going to have this topic on what skill software development. I will have Odogu. Yeah, he is Odogu Lamin. He is going to introduce himself. I know him to be a very good computer science student. He knows a lot of stuff. That's why we are having him on this table today. So I will leave him to introduce himself.
Alright, my name is Lamin Janka. I'm a bachelor's in computer science student, third year, and I'm fluent in web development, and then I also programmer, and then so fluent in databases, which is nice fun. And then also some knowledge on security.
Security stuff. That's so nice. I'm definitely going to go behind. You understand? And get some stuff from him. Definitely, it's going to happen. Okay. So, firstly, I would love it will be so nice if we discuss about something that happened due to lack of security development in software.
Alright, so there are lots of frauds that are happening due to lack of security, phishing attacks, all these vulnerabilities due to softwares not having very good secure systems,
Security systems, yes.
which can be prevented using secure software development tools and then mechanisms to prevent these from happening.
What are some of the problems? Just softwares that lack security that are unsecured. Yeah.
When we say softwares that are not secure, these are softwares that are vulnerable to attacks. These are attacks done by
Criminals.
cyber criminals.
Yeah.
So these attacks can vary. It can be phishing attacks, fraudulent activities, and then identity thefts. All of those stuff that can be done using
This
unsecure softwares.
vulnerable softwares. Yes.
So these vulnerable softwares are designed. These can be prevented by using secure coding practices throughout the software development lifecycle, which can vary. So from the design to the testing to the coding, deployment, and then maintenance, patching the code, so that we can be up to date with the latest security features that certain programming or interface offers.
Okay, that's so nice. So to prevent, if I understand, to prevent this types of vulnerable software is to make sure that we put secure coding, right?
Yes.
And then follow the software development life cycle. Okay, secure software development life cycle. Okay, I think I got it now. So, what can you tell us more about it?
Alright. Currently, of late, we have been using AIML in secure software development. So we use AIML models to make predictive analysis and then build models that make accurate decision making systems. Can also be used to prevent to detect frauds, fraudulent activities, uh, redundant data, and all these anomalies in data sets, which are in line columns, which cannot be done by man.
Yes.
But with use of AI and machine learning, it has made it easy, and then these
Are going smoothly.
yeah.
Okay, so but then definitely with its advantages, I know it definitely have
It
some
has lots of
disadvantages.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the disadvantages of this system is the introduction of adversarial attacks. Adversarial attacks are attacks done by malicious actors to input special crafted data into these AI model systems, make them make wrong predictions, predictive analysis, and decision making, which makes the system not
Not yeah. So instead of doing what they are supposed to do, they do otherwise. They do what the models that the other criminals ask it to do. Right? Okay. So that's one of the disadvantages. What are these types of adversarial attacks that you talk
Adversarial attacks vary from Trojan or backdoor model invasion attacks. Can also
poisoning
have
attacks? Poisoning attacks?
poisoning attacks. Yeah, they vary from that, which are all attempts made by cyber criminals to affect the data that
AI,
is in the AI
data
models.
that is in the AI model. Okay. So we have not about the disadvantages and the types, but I know the viewers will love to know about the advantages because they were more interested in because nowadays this AI is just pop 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 everywhere.
There's a new thing.
Is the new thing. So what are some of the advantages of this AI and ML in security?
Okay, AIML is useful in fraud detection, fraudulent activities.
Yeah.
So predictive analysis too.
Yeah.
We can use AIML for threat detection, and then there's also phishing detection,
Yeah.
which can be email or website
Phishing.
phishing
Yes,
attempts,
yes.
and then there's malware detection too. So these AI models can detect
Detect.
malwares in systems.
Or not. And then prevents them if
Prevent
there
them,
is
yeah.
need for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very nice that you've done for somebody to be checking to know whether this is a phishing email or something like that.
Exactly,
The AI
yeah.
will just
So we just
predict that
let
this. But then,
like an addict.
but don't you think that is false or true? What if the AI tell us something that is, let's say this is not a phishing email, but then the AI tells us that it's a phishing email. Don't you think this that as a disadvantage? It falls
That is
through.
that is when the stuff of creating accurate AI models.
Okay.
So you need to train your model with lots of data sets so that it can make good analysis. No AI model is 100%.
Okay.
So we make models that are accurate and then make good analysis, but then we can have them.
Yeah, I think it's true. So, as we hear about the advantages, such as the predictive analysis, the threat detection, phishing, and bagera. Let me add Hindi into this, okay? So now, what is the merit of the whole software development security itself?
Software
What can we
development
prevent?
security.
But let me taking our coffee. Guys, let's have some coffee. I almost forget that coffee has been here. Imagine, for the first time, I'm so down listening to him and I forget that there is coffee. So let's have some coffee. And yes, we are back from the break and so let's go back to what you're doing. So now what is then tell us about the advantages of this secure software development. So what are its advantages?
Alright, so when we talk about the merits of secure software development,
Mm.
we improve security,
Yeah.
and it's a priority, right?
Yes, yes.
And then improve customer trust. We improve trust
Of
and
the customer
improve security. Then the trust of the customers will
will be
increase. Because they
increased
want
definitely.
to
Yes.
use the system
Yeah.
because it is secure.
Secure, yeah. Because one thing is that if the software is not secure and I am using it and from there somebody got his information kept away by the cyber criminals, I will never trust that software again, that organization. So I think it's from the secure, right? As you said, the security then it will bring the trust
Trust of the customer.
of the customers, yeah. So
Another important advantage is reduce cost.
mm,
If a system is secure, you would not need to pay uh, developers or developers to frequently maintain the stuff.
maintain it,
So
yes.
reduce cost. Another point is compliance with regulations.
Mm.
There are strict regulations regarding security, which are placed by organizations for these systems. It's like it's a standard.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Then we have
that's
the
also another.
GDPR and the HIPAA, right? Yeah, so compliance.
Part of security testing. Every system is secure. The penetration testing and then all the security testing, network testing and all that. So they're pretty fast. So another advantage is faster security.
Faster security testing. So, let me take you back small. We are talking about the vulnerabilities in software, which the cyber criminals get if the software is not secure. So, What are those vulnerabilities? Let me take you back some more.
Vulnerabilities include session hijacking and then cross-site scripting. We also have SQL injection.
Okay.
So SQL injection is basically using SQL commands that actually uh, alter the access to the data. So a fraudulent user can actually get all the data access to the database and then even make changes. We have session hijacking.
Okay.
So basically, user IDs can be found in URLs, which can be fetched by several criminals and then can be used to log into the session and then do some activity. We can have cross-site scripting, which can be prevented using HTML special characters on all that in PHP to prevent all.
So nice. I'm getting a lot of stuff, guys. Okay, so um now we have learned a lot. But what are some of the tools that we can use in this secure software development?
Alright. So to talk about tools, there are lots of tools that can be used for during the software development lifecycle for secure software development. So we can have SonarKey. SonarKey basically reviews code, basically scan through a code, make improvements, and then make security. We have Kali Linux as a service system, which are
Kali
very
Linux, yeah.
used for
Our
security analysis and penetration. Also, we have Wireshark. Wireshark basically displays real-time network analysis and then can be used for troubleshooting and security. So using networks, which is very important.
Okay. Thank you so much for this information. Our last question to you. So our last question we would like to end with tell us some of the best practice for a secure coding.
So there are lots of secure coding practices. So we can first of all have input validation. That is basically sanitizing so that we feed in very good data into the database, prevent redundancies, and then blank spaces that are not required. Yes, authentication and authorization. We have to authenticate users that are actually authorized to the system, and then giving them privileges. So an admin can have more privilege than all these others.
Yeah, so that's basically the access control.
Exactly. So there's users of the system, we have to give them the least users of the system, we have minimum privilege. And then another method is secure session management. We need to have secure session management using HTTP only and all that so that sessions are secure and then cannot be easily taken
By first users,
and
yes.
then which can generate random. Another method is encryption. We have to encrypt our data.
Yeah.
So encryption as in let's say passwords. The passwords have to be hashed again so that these passwords cannot be accessed even by
Or
the
can be
admins.
cracked
Yes,
easily.
exactly. Also, we got proper error handling. So if there are runtime errors, anomalies that happen in a database in a operation, so we can have concurrent consequent actions that can be taken in place of those. Another vital factor is training and awareness. Software developers or users of a system need to be trained and aware and have to use the system. What I want to do. So,
When people are aware, I think it's half solved.
it is halfway there.
Yeah. So this was an interesting session, guys. I think that's the end of it. Do you have anything to tell them again?
Not much. All I'm gonna say is use secure system.
Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to click the like button, turn on that notification button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.